We're NewDay, a leading UK consumer finance business in the UK. We focus on offering credit products that help meet a range of needs in the market, whether that's Aqua, which is all around credit building and access to credit, Bit, which is all around digital access to credit, through to our partner brands. Within the brand and design team here at NewDay, we're really focused on the end-to-end experience of the customer. So right from the TV ad that one of our customers might see to the app experience that they have. We've partnered with YLD to build out a design system to make sure that our engineers, our designers, and our wider tech community have got all the tools they need to be able to design the best experiences possible.
I think as every company grows, there's a lot of challenges in being able to keep everything consistent and efficient. And this is one of our big drivers this year. We're looking forward to driving a lot of efficiencies in how we bring our products to the market. And the design system will bring that to our products, allowing us to develop faster, to ship more features and more products quicker, and new capabilities for our customers.
We currently have 13 front-end teams in NewDay, so we have a wide variety of technologies that we use. We've got React, we've got Angular, GraphQL, a mixture of Next, Remix. We were in a position where we needed to grow fast. The YLD team came in and brought in their expertise and their previous experience of building design systems, laying the foundations, giving us something that we can build upon, break it right down to the ground. And that's where the expertise of the team really helps out. We brought in YLD to give us an unbiased holistic view of what we have right now to help us move forward with the right approach.
We're onboarding a design system management tool, and this is a tool that we work in close collaboration with YLD. So our designers, our engineers, and any key stakeholders across the business can jump into this tool, find out how we design our products, how we engineer our products. We've got three main objectives that we want to try and achieve. That's to establish a foundation of components across our iOS, Android, and web products. Secondly, to establish some key documentation in how we use these components, how they apply to our products. Thirdly, to ensure that we have the coded element of those components, so it makes it easier for our squads to adopt the design system. They bring core expertise in atomic design, which is something that really helped us establish those foundations, thinking about each individual element of a component and how that makes up the bigger component. They've also brought some really key thoughts and thinking around how we document the do's and don'ts of components.
Last year, we rolled out a major client. It was in a new technology, integrated new APIs. Teams worked really closely. They were integrated really nicely. They learned the technology, found all of those gaps that we needed to fill across the team. We got that out on time, hitting aggressive deadlines. It was a great success.
At NewDay, one of our key principles that we follow is collaboration. And YLD have brought that in abundance. We really like how they mix with different teams. They're open to feedback. They have created so many workshops as well to bring everyone together.
They blend directly straight into our teams. The wider team understand all of my teams. They understand the nuances of how each one works. I tend to think of YLD not as a supplier, but more of a partner, and we work really well together.
What's the future for the design system project? I think our next step is to roll that out across the business and to work with our squads to integrate that into our products. Ultimately help us create a shared vision of what this design system is going to look like. So hugely appreciative of all the help and effort and hard work that's gone into this.
No matter who we work with, they're friendly, approachable. They want us to succeed as much as we do, and that is the perfect partnership.